Really, we rang a few companies, didn't really get much sort of response back from the emails and phone calls. Sort of rang Andy at Hofmann. The next day, I think, or 2 days later, he was down from Leeds, so it was pretty good. And then we sort of ran through what we needed, and yeah, went from there. It was good. Project managed the whole thing from day one. It was basically a blank canvas. The garage we'd bought was going to be completely refurbished, so we had a blank canvas to play with. So we just basically went in, marked everything out, changed a few things around. We'd done a lot of the groundworks ourselves, just because we know a lot of builders and stuff through customers. But yeah, apart from that, it was every week we were getting good comms with Andy, and yeah, we were on track with everything. And all the paperwork for DVSA, for the sign-offs and all that sort of stuff. So it took a lot of the pressure off me, because I had a lot of stuff going on. Obviously, with the build, we had other machinery going in. We had to do the extension on the back and all sorts of stuff. I mean, you can see in the video that the whole back section is new, so we had to basically build that section to accommodate the MOT bay, because the previous MOT bay, it wouldn't be signed off. It was too old. So. It's gone from strength to strength. I mean, we were very busy with tyres, obviously being one of the leading tyre places in the area. Yeah, so basically all the tyre custom we had, now we're getting the MOT custom as well. So I mean, it's gone from strength to strength. I mean, we've been open 3 months now, so it's pretty good.